Hello, Uptown Swing, level 1, Charleston, Peter, Val. And we did Charleston. This is how we started. We just did a touch, step, touch, step, touch, step.
Show it this way one
tap,
time. Like this.
Touch, step, touch, step.
I'm a leader.
Yeah, I'm a follower and I start with my right, he starts with his left. Step. Then we added some kicks. Kick and kick, step. Kick, kick and kick, step. Kick and kick, step. Our arms swing. We also talked a lot about how you don't want to be here. You want to put your body behind you and be in this athletic pose as you.
Let's show it this way one time. So this is how we connect up. We go rock, step, kick, step, double, kick, step, rock, step, kick, step, double, kick. And then we did some fancy stuff.
Some big kicks.
That's right. Big kicks look like this. Rock, step, woo, woo, rock, step, Then we did some moving. Ha, 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 moving, ha, 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 moving.
Kick step, kick step, kick step, kick step.
Then we put them together to make the kick up or the skip up. Rock, step, kick step, woo,
Bam.
back to our basic. Ha,
And we rolled it back.
So here's our little pattern we did. Basic number 1. Basic number 2. We skip up. Bam. Roll back,
Turn.
rock, step, bam.
Bam.
Back to basics. That was it. Hey.
Same.